The purpose of this video is to show how to unbox and rebox a brass bed 112. Begin by laying the box over on its side and cutting the tape holding the bottom of the box together. Then pull loose the flaps, the staples in the flaps, to open up the bottom of the box. We anticipate that you'll be doing this on the floor since you won't likely have a bench as we have here. In that case, pick the box up and fold the flap under as shown. Then gently set the box up and then lift the box off the bed. Be careful to stabilize the bed so that it doesn't tip over during this process. Remove the foam from the new bed and place it on the old bed in the same way that it's shown here. Then set the old bed wrapped with the females facing away from each other as shown here at the bottom. This will protect the bed from damage and shipment. Then place foam blocks on the ends of the bed as shown. Hold them in place with the end boxes. We use a 1-inch fiber tape. Wrap it around each foam block as shown here. Once you place the foam blocks and the end boxes on both ends of the bed, it's time to put the box back over the bed, as shown here. Once the box is down over the bed, with the flaps up, gently lay the bed back over on its side. Again, you'll likely have to do this on the floor if you don't have a bench as we do here. Now it's time to button up the bottom of the box. Fold both end tabs in and the top flap down first. Then place copious amounts of glue on the bottom flap as shown here. To hold the flap in place, please use a 2-inch wide packing tape. Fiber tape is preferred, but whatever you have to hold that flap in place so that the glue will set and hold the flap securely. Please tape it up as best you know how, in the most secure way, especially on the ends. These seem to take the most abuse during shipment. And please tape all the way down the seam of the bottom flap, as that'll hold it in place. Thank you. We appreciate your efforts to get the bed back to us securely.